It's clobbering time.
Just in the cartoon.
Fantastic Four. दिल खुश हो गया मेरा. There are some things that I love. There are some things that I want to crib about a little.
Bounce up on a Tuesday night. Street lights hum like a neon fight. Got a story, but I keep it tight. Not so harsh, not so bright.
What's happening, guys? My name is Harsh. Thank you so much for joining us back. And आज हम देख के आ रहे हैं Fantastic Four by Matt Shakman, and this is the latest entry into the Marvel Universe. Matt Shakman, अगर आपको नहीं पता हो, was also the director and the showrunner for WandaVision, a series which I personally really enjoyed. And I was really excited जैसे मेरे को पता चला that he is the same guy who's going to be directing our interpretation of the first family, which is Fantastic Four. The movie does a really good job of capturing the 90s essence. I feel Fantastic Four and Superman, both movies इसी महीने आई हैं दोनों की दोनों. Both are DC and Marvel complete rivals, and I think in some shape or form इन दोनों ने ही एक वो 80s, 90s and early 2000s वाला जो एक very hopeful super hero and a franchise that has a very childlike innocence उसको capture करने की कोशिश करी है, which I feel this movie does really well, and it really brings back some old memories of the old cartoons that we used to watch. बचपन में हम देखा करते थे Spider-Man, Human Torch, and there was this another lady in the Super Friends, and ये बहुत ही पुराना कार्टून था. So again, just watching this movie kind of in some shape or form triggered something in my mind that was constantly reminding me of the Super Friends. And I would definitely say like this is the best Marvel movie that's actually come out in some time. This was one entry that I have been waiting for a really long time, just because ये property इतनी ignored थी. Early 2000s में we saw 2 iterations of Fantastic Four, जिसमें हमारे Chris Evans again was Human Torch. But this interpretation takes the entire characterization of all 4 characters in a very different manner. The tonality of the movie is very fun. It's very light-hearted. इस movie का जो humor है, it is very organic. It completely stems from the characters and them bouncing off of each other's energy. So it is a lot of fun to watch. Getting into the plot now, Silver Surfer Earth पे आ जाती है as the herald of Galactus, and she tells the entire planet that Earth is marked for death. And कौन बचाएगा बेडू? The main conflict that kind of revolves is around Galactus and its herald Silver Surfer, who has been sent to Earth to kind of go prep everyone that you guys are all going to be killed. Fantastic Four, इस universe जो हमें दिखाई गई है इस Marvel movie में, are the only superheroes on this planet, which is very interesting as well, because starting में जब movie शुरू होती है, you get a lot of snippets of how these guys have created a legacy over the past 4-5 years since they've gotten their powers, and how now the entire human race kind of looks upon them as the beacons of hope for this entire planet, क्योंकि और कोई superheroes इन चारों के अलावा नहीं है. So who does it fall upon to kind of save the planet? It is obviously Fantastic Four, and I was really surprised to see that ये movie एक space mission and एक space adventure भी है. It is not just a superhero movie, and whatever visualizations they've used in space, whatever they've shown, all the space sequences, I thought were beautiful. मैं IMAX की बड़ी screen पे देख रहा था और दिल खुश हो गया मेरा कि my goodness, I'm so glad I'm getting to see this on the biggest screen. Plot के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा reveal नहीं करूँगा मैं, because there is a lot that you will unravel. The enemy that they're facing is Silver Surfer, and it is Galactus. So the scale of this overall conflict is quite massive. Movie का run time काफी अच्छी तरीके से सारे characters को balance करता है. All of them get a chance to shine, and कभी भी ये नहीं लगता कि ये character थोड़ा सा underdeveloped है. You actually start liking all characters, the dynamic they share. किस तरह comics में they're always sitting around like a family. ये लोग बैठ के बस they're always just talking about problems, they're talking about solutions, they're talking about technology, and वो dynamic देखने में भी काफी ज़्यादा मजा आता है. After the 2000s की Fantastic Four, I was thinking कि ये Johnny Storm को कैसे करेंगे, because he's definitely been one of my favorite characters in Marvel ever, period. And I am very happy to say that Joseph Quinn captures, he's not the most flamboyant Human Torch, he is not the ladies man, but he is quite the rock star. Uski characterization is quite different from the comics. Comics mein he's always just kind of getting into trouble head first. Yahan pe he's actually quite intelligent. All characters, even whether it's the Thing, they have their own intellect, they have their own thoughts, they have their own opinions on these ideas that these guys are trying to create to save the planet. And वो बहुत अच्छे से इंटरेस्टिंग तरीके से बहुत ही फ्लैश्ड आउट डायनामिक क्रिएट करता है अक्रॉस द एंटायर फैमिली. A big shout out to Pedro Pascal and Vanessa Kirby as Mr. Fantastic and Sue Storm and Mama Storm. Let me also tell you that there are 2 post-credit scenes after the movie. First वाला तालियां और सीटियां बजने वाली हैं. I am so sure of it, because all of us, at least if you've been a Marvel fan, you know what this movie is kind of leading into and आगे क्या आने वाला है. And ये एक छोटा सा hint उसका देती है of where this entire universe is heading. जो second वाला post credit scene था वो देख के again I was transported back to my childhood. I was back in 90s and जो old era के comics and cartoons हमें दिखाए जाते थे. It's a really nice throwback to that. All in all, I think this movie is a really good watch. देखने में बहुत मजे आए. It is definitely Marvel's strongest entry in quite some time. This movie did not have anything to do with any other Marvel movie. So that was so refreshing to see कि आप हर जगह पे कहीं ना कहीं world building या Easter eggs हमें देने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहे हो. You are focused on the movie and the movie does a really good job of telling that story. This is definitely one you want to watch in the theaters. So all in all, my thoughts on the new Fantastic Four by Matt Shakman were very positive. मेरे को देख के काफी ज़्यादा मजा आया. I'm really glad Marvel is finally putting things together back in place. If you have been a long-standing fan of Marvel Universe and आपको पता है आगे क्या आ रहा है, then you have a lot to look forward to, and you will really enjoy this interpretation of these characters. If you've already seen the movie, let us know in the comments below what you liked, what you did not like. If there was one character that you would have interact with Fantastic Four from the Marvel Universe, who would that be? Who are you excited to see? I know who I am excited to see in the upcoming movies. Fingers crossed. And we will definitely be back with our spoiler review for the movie as well. There are some things that I love. There are some things that I want to crib about a little. So hum spoiler talk karenge apna, and I will see you guys there. In the meanwhile, like, share and subscribe guys. I've been Harsh and I'm gonna catch you very, very soon.
Life is normal, ain't no shortcut. Not so harsh, just not yet.